Hey guys, we woke up this morning on a beautiful breakfast set by Hubby. Isn't that romantic? He made breakfast for us and he had to wake us up, and we woke up and discovered he made eggs and toasted bread. That is so romantic. Thank you so much, Hubby.
Blue, the feeling behind my eyes. You stood out cause you were in red. Then, against my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead. Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to
No, this.
Bonjour la famille. Hello guys. Good morning. Welcome again to another vlog. So I just came back from church. I'm trying to make lunch so we eat. Yeah, I made roasted fish. I made grilled fish yesterday, and I don't know if this video is gonna go up first or how I treat my family every weekend. I think I'm gonna be linking up the video above. If I don't know which one goes first. Yeah, goes up first. Yeah, so I'm just frying plantains. I'm frying plantains. We're going to be having it with pepper. Yeah, so I want to cook okra. I smoked this meat yesterday. Yeah, it's well smoked. Smoked the meat yesterday. I'm going to be having okra and a goosey. Of course, yeah. Sorry guys, this playing his game. Yeah. Let me show you what I'm. You see that? You see that leftover? Oh my goodness. That's what we having.
No.
That is what we are having for lunch. It is. Woo. Okay. Let me fry this. I'll talk to you guys when I am eating. I know most of my vlogs you'll be like, what is Patty always doing? Always cooking, always cooking. Yeah, cooking is one of my hobbies, so I love cooking so much. So there is no vlog that will pass by without you seeing me cook. I don't think it's possible. So please get used to it. Get used to it. So I just want to chop. Let me chop my onions now. Put them in vinegar. And we eat. Everybody's famished. We didn't have breakfast before going to church, guys. So everybody's so hungry. Yeah. Okay, guys. Talk to you guys later. So this is what I'm having. Sorry, guys. It's scattered everywhere. But this is how I love it. Yeah. Mixed fish leftovers. Huh? It tasted so delicious. Look at that. Hi guys. Yeah, so I am not hosting. Hi guys, so I am in a meeting. Forgive the makeup mismatch. I was wearing a blue dress today and I just had to swap. I am feeling sleepy. I just want this meeting to be over and I take off all of this. I'm waiting for others to join so we kickstart. Yeah, guys. Yeah, so this is it. And please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so by clicking yes, by subscribing. And I noticed that most of you do not hit that notification bell. Whoa. See, look down. Is it on your right? Look on your right. There's a bell there. Click on that bell. It's going to tell you, I think, all, personalized, and so on. Click on that bell, and whenever I upload, bang, it will notify on your phone, and you just go and watch. Because I get people come to my inbox like, I went to your channel and I discovered you uploaded like 4 or 5 videos. Please do well to click that notification bell, and please help us like. That like is very, very important. It tells us if you like a particular content or you don't. Yeah, there are some contents I don't bring much often because I look at the likes, I look at my algorithm, and I just have to scrape some out. So because I discovered maybe it doesn't relate well with you, please do like if you do watch. You will help me a whole lot. Thank you so much for understanding. Until my next one, bye. I hope